Check out what I found. So this is an HD11, but a European styled one. And it's basically got the flasher in the front, as you can see that. And then when you get to the side of it, it's called a Traxtor XU. And it flashes in the front. It's Can-Am. It's an HD11. And it's got the flasher in the back as well. So as you can see it. And then when you look inside, you obviously see that it's the HD11, the 2026 model, because it's got the lever for the lever for everything to flip the steering up and everything. But this thing's got the flasher in the dash. It's got the horn. It's got the high beam, low beam, all in the dash. So I feel like going to go into mine and light it up with a flashlight, seeing if those turn signals are already there existing. But this is a European model, so you can't get it here, but the parts should be available somewhere. So anyways, I'll check that out. So let's check this thing out. If it's got the turn signals already built in and the flasher and everything. So let's grab a light. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're right there. There's the turn signal, there's the high beam, low beam. And in that corner, right there it is. Let me put the camera around. Right there. Turn signal's right there in the corner. Jeez. As you can see it, right there. So this thing's got it. So it's already set up for it, so all it's missing is the flasher system. I'm going to look up, because I really want the flashers to be here and inside the lights. And why pay for aftermarket stuff that you got to drill holes for the flashers and everything in there? Like, it's already there. So if they won't sell it to us here, I'm going to call Europe and go on the internet and find a dealer and get the part number from the dealer and say, hey, I need a new flasher or whatever on my unit, blah, 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 my HD11. And I'll call it what their name is, that Traxtor or whatever what it is there, UX there, or XU. And yeah, no, that's a no-brainer. Yeah, everybody wants flashers on their unit. Why can't we have them in America? Because it's a demand, it's demanded by the policies over there that they have to have flashers on there. Well, we want them on ours. Okay, we'll catch you on the next one. Guys, be safe. I just wanted to show this because I want one. I want my flashers this way. All right, thanks a lot. Bye for now.